And we'll even take another look at that storm system on the 5-speed First Alert Doppler HD here in just a moment. But I do want to show you our conditions across our area. Mostly sunny skies here from the First Alert Skycam network out at the landing. And take a look at these temperatures. We're already into the low and even mid 90s in many cases. 93 in Jacksonville and in Fernandina. We have 96 in Folkston and 95 for you in Waycross. And this is what it feels like. Remember, the heat index is your temperature along with the humidity. It feels like 109 degrees in Waycross, feels like 101 in Brunswick and 103 in Fernandina, and then feels like the upper 90s along I-10, and all of these numbers will continue to climb as we head through the afternoon. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of the day today. We are going to stay mostly sunny. By 3:30, temperatures are warming into the mid and upper 90s far inland, and then as we head towards 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock as you're leaving work, we're still in those mid 90s. Going to be a very, very hot day today. By 9 o'clock, the sun has already set, but we are still sitting in the lower 80s. But keep in mind, it will feel hotter than those numbers. By 4 o'clock, it feels like the triple digits, and if not the triple digits, then the upper 90s. So very, very hot as we go through the day today. You'll want to make sure you, your kids, your pets have plenty of water. Absolutely, you do not want to leave your pets outside in the blazing sun. You want to make sure they have some shade at least through the day today, and if not, you can bring them in. By 5:30, still spots that feel like the triple digits outside, and even into 8 o'clock, it still feels like the upper 80s and low 90s across our area. Some spots far inland still feeling like the mid 90s even as we approach sunset. And this heat, we're not going to get much of a break from it. Right now we're dry all across the area on the 5-speed First Alert Doppler HD. Much different story though as we jump out towards Texas. This is Tropical Storm Bill as it spins here along the coast of southern Texas just north of Corpus Christi. And this is a look at the track on the system. It does have maximum sustained winds at 60 miles per hour, and right now it's moving towards the west-northwest at about 9 miles per hour, moving up towards Dallas as we head into your Wednesday. It's going to bring some very heavy rain with it all along eastern Texas. There are flash flood watches in effect, and then that moves up through the Midwest, bringing more of that heavy rainfall. For us, though, we're not going to get much of that rain, which we would really like to see because we are under those drought conditions. So again, today we are going to stay mostly sunny with above average temperatures, and it's going to feel even hotter than the actual temp. So today a high of 95, but it will feel as hot as 105 to 110 in some spots. On Wednesday we'll stay mostly sunny. I am expecting to see a few isolated showers and storms developing, but more than bringing us rain, unfortunately that's going to bring us those lightning strikes that could potentially lead to more wildfires outside. A high of 94 on Wednesday. Thursday we start to see those rain chances increasing a bit to widely scattered showers and storms with a high of 92. Then scattered storms on Friday with a high up to 93. We'll see scattered storms each afternoon over the weekend with highs in the lower 90s, and we'll see that continue into Monday as well. Now another look at that weekend hour by hour, because I know you're already starting to make your plans. We are going to start each day with temperatures in the 70s, 74 on Saturday morning, already climbing into the upper 80s by noon with highs in the low 90s, scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and Sunday will be a near repeat, starting off in the 70s and topping out in the lower 90s. Remember, you can go to our website through the rest of the day today for updates on the First Alert forecast. It is actionnewsjax.com.
Hanging on